Good morning students. Class 9th Science. Chapter number 8 Motion. Students, we have discussed in earlier video speed and velocity. So what do you mean by the speed? Distance covered by an object per unit time, and velocity speed with direction. Now student, there is another quantity, there is another physical quantity called accelerations. So today we will discuss about the physical quantity acceleration. So student, we have discussed in earlier video uniform motion and non-uniform motion. So if we talk about the during the uniform motion of an object along a straight line, so what will happen in this situation? The velocity remain constant with time. There is a no change in the velocity and also time also. So during the uniform motion of an object along a straight line, the velocity remains constant with time. In case the change in velocity of the object for any interval time is 0. So if there is no velocity change, so there is a change in velocity for any interval time is also 0. Now if we talk about the non-uniform motion, unequal distance covered by in a equal interval of time. So if we talk about in non-uniform motion, velocity varies with time. Understand? In non-uniform motion, so it has a different values at the different instant and at the different point of the path. If we talk about the non-uniform motion, some like you can say the zigzag shape, some left, some right, like this. So there is a straight line path, there is a zigzag path. So also variation in the velocity. So there is a change in the velocity of time. Velocity of object during any interval is not a 0. And if we talk about the uniform motion of an object along a straight line, the velocity remain constant. But in case of non-uniform motion, the different values at the different instant and the different points of the path. So the change in the velocity of the object during any time interval is not a 0. So there is other physical quantity is called accelerations. So what do you mean by the acceleration? Change in velocity per unit time for a non-uniform motion. In case of uniform motion, there is no acceleration, so because the velocity will be 0. So I hope you understand. So there is another physical quantity is the acceleration. Acceleration means for non-uniform motion, it is denoted by the student A. It is denoted by the A. So A is equal to change in velocity upon time taken. Time with for the non-uniform motion. This is a very important. So what do you mean by the acceleration? It is denoted by A and change in velocity per unit time. Understand? So if we talk about the initial, if any object has the initial velocity is equal to u and final velocity v and time taken is equal to t. So acceleration is equal to change in velocity. It means final velocity minus initial velocity. Understand? Upon time taken. So what is the final velocity? V minus initial velocity u and time taken t. A is the acceleration, v is the final velocity and u is the initial velocity and t is the time taken. So this is the formula of the acceleration. So what do you mean by the acceleration? Change in velocity per unit time. Change in velocity per unit time is known as the acceleration. So I hope you understand acceleration means the change in velocity per unit time for a non-uniform motion. Student, if we talk about the uniform motion, so there is a change in velocity of object for any interval of time, or any time interval is 0. But in non-uniform motion, student, velocity varies with time. So there is another physical quantity called accelerations. So change in velocity per unit time. If initial velocity u or final velocity v, so time taken t. So what is the acceleration? A is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity upon time taken. A, what is the final velocity? V, initial velocity, u, and this is the small t, and A is the accelerations. So you can find out the another formula. A is equal to v minus u upon t. If you cross multiply, what will happen? At is equal to v minus u, or v is equal to u plus at. This is the first equation of motion. This is the first equation of motion. Understand? So I hope you understand. But we will discuss the equation of motion with graph. There is a simply specify only. A is equal to v minus u upon t. So we can cross multiply. At is equal to v minus u. So v is equal to, when you can write like this, is equal to at plus u. When you add this here, so it will be positive sign. So v is equal to at plus u, or yeah, v is equal to u plus at. What is the v? Final velocity. U, initial velocity. A, acceleration. T, time taken. Understand? Now if we talk about the kind of motion, this kind of motion is known as the, yes student, acceleration motion. When the change in velocity, so this kind of the motion is known as the accelerated motion. So if the acceleration, there is a two type of the acceleration, positive acceleration and negative, positive and negative acceleration. There is a positive acceleration and there is a negative accelerations. So what do you mean by the positive acceleration? Student, the positive acceleration means if it is in the direction of velocity. If the acceleration is in the direction of velocity, so this is a positive. And if it is opposite to the direction of velocity, if it is a direction to the positive, there is a velocity. If it is direction in the velocity, so there is a positive acceleration. If it is opposite to the velocity, so this is the negative acceleration, or I can say other words, retardations. Understand? So positive acceleration and negative acceleration. The positive acceleration means the acceleration is taken to be positive if it is the direction of velocity, and the negative when it is the opposite to the direction of velocity. Now we will find out the unit of the accelerations. So what is the unit of the accelerations? Now A is equal to v minus u upon t. So what is the unit of the velocity? What is the unit of the velocity, student? Yes, A is equal to velocity, unit of the velocity is the meter per second upon, and time, unit of the time, second. So what is the unit of the acceleration? ms minus 2, or meter per second square. So what is the unit of the acceleration? Meter per second square, or meter minus 2. And what is the unit of the speed? Meter per second. Understand? And it is a unit also speed and velocity also, time unit second, and acceleration unit meter per second square, or meter s minus 2. So this is the unit of, you can find out the unit of the. So A is equal to V minus U upon T. Understand? So SI unit of the acceleration is meter per second square or meter minus 2. So if an object, student, it travels in a straight line. If an object is travel in a straight line and its velocity decrease or increase or decrease by the equal interval of time. So acceleration of the object is in a uniform acceleration. When velocity sometime increase or decrease, what will happen? By equal amount in equal interval of time, so then acceleration is to be said to be uniform motions. So on the other hand, an object can be travel in non-uniform motion. So that is the non-uniform acceleration. Understand? So I hope you understand this, the physical quantity accelerations. So also this is a very important, so you should know the physical quantity also. We have discussed the speed, velocity, accelerations. Okay student, in next video we will discuss the three equation of motion. Okay students, bye, take care.